Lollipop. Yan, lollipop din. And there is
But look at that, it's fine, see?
so it's still over 600 degrees, as you can see how it's burning that wood. Yeah.
Init ano mo?
Oo, kainit.
Just down next one. Oh, that's lovely. Bluey colour like this, similar to this, and it's just about now to go away into the big kiln at the back. So glass doesn't like to cool down quickly. It likes to sit at 500 degrees, chilling out for a couple of days, and then slowly cool down. So that's what we're going to do with this piece. We're going to cook it away in that kiln at the back, where it will stay for 2 days, cooling slowly. And then you can see that shiny, whereas this is like a matte finish. So yeah, that's all got to be done cold. Also, they're actually